Hello everyone. In this video, we will understand how to download InDesign Server and how to install and how to license it. So first, we will go to the pre-release website and we have to log in with our Adobe ID. So in the pre-release website, if you go to available programs, you will find InDesign Server. So in my case, I have already enrolled it. So I'm just resuming my trial download program. So first we have to accept the license agreement so that we will have access to this pre-release program. So once we have access to this pre-release program, we should be able to find all the downloads for InDesign Server. That is the CC 2014, 2018, 2019, and the latest one 2020. So any version what you want to download, you can have access to this from this pre-release portal, and you can download the application as per your requirement. So over here you can see all the versions are available right now. So these are available both for Mac and Windows. So you can just download it as per your requirement, and once the download is complete, you can just go ahead and install the application on your computer. So right now I have started the download for version 2020, and once the download will complete, we can go ahead and try to install it. So once the download is complete, it will be in form of a package. We'll go ahead and run it as an administrator and try to install the application. So once the installation will start, you will see like this, and it will go to 100%, and InDesign Server will be properly installed on your computer. So once InDesign Server is installed, we'll go ahead and go for the licensing. So for the licensing, we'll go to the release notes for InDesign Server 2020. And first of all, we need to download Adobe Provisioning Toolkit. So this Adobe Provisioning Toolkit is downloaded. We will run the exe and it will extract Adobe_PRTK to a dedicated folder. So once Adobe_PRTK is extracted, we will open command prompt and run it as an administrator. So on the command prompt, first we have to navigate to this particular location where we have Adobe_PRTK. And once we navigate to this location, now we have to run the command in order to serialize InDesign Server. So this command you will find in the release notes of InDesign Server 2020, and the same release notes are available for all the other versions as well. So now we have the command. Now we can just go ahead and copy that particular command over here. So we will copy and paste the command over here, and once we paste the command with the serial number, it will generate return code 0, which means it will successfully generate proof.xml. This proof.xml will help us to license InDesign Server. So now with the second command, we will license InDesign Server and we will receive return code 0. It means InDesign Server is properly licensed.